What's going on, everyone? What's going on, beautiful people? Bionano Genomics is going crazy. What's going on, everyone? Let me know if you can hear me in the comment section. Bionano Genomics stock is going crazy. And right now we have the first breakout, guys. This is the first breakout. So, what's going on, everyone? What is going on? We are up 4.63% right now. Bngo is going crazy. What's going on, fam? Let me know, guys, if you can hear me. Let me know. We need to have at least 20 concurrent viewers before I can continue. Right now we are 10. I just have some free time and I thought maybe I should just go live and talk to you guys about what is going on right now. The breakout of Bngo. This is the breakout happening right now. Is it going to hold or are we going to go back down? What's going on, everyone? Here we are breaking free. Mike in. What's going on, Emmanuel? How are you doing? Bngo is up 4.60, 4.55, 4.75% right now. It's just going crazy, Let me wait a little bit. Maybe we're going to have like 20 viewers and I can continue. I just thought I should, go online and have a little chat with you guys. Maybe I can answer some questions and update you guys about what is going on right now with the situation of Bionano Genomics, our favorite stock. What's going on, people? Let me know if you are online. Give me a shout out. We have 2 more viewers left. 2 more viewers left. Bngo. What's up, Mike P? What's up, Mike P? How are you doing today, sir? Bngo is up 4% right now. It's just going crazy. This is a breakout happening right now, guys. This is the daily candlestick. And hopefully this is going to hold. Okay, we just touched the first resistance right here, let me show you guys. 5.82%, 5.82 US dollars. That is the first resistance. Okay, 5.82 US dollars. We need to consolidate around here and break out of. So I don't know if today, if we are going to manage to break this 5.82 US dollars today or not, because this is the daily candlestick. You guys can see we went as high as let me see, 5.78 US dollars. That is how high we have gone so far. So this is the daily candlestick, guys. This is a breakout happening. So I mean, this may be the beginning, of the beginning. So don't be shocked if this is the beginning, if this is the last time we are going to see 5.50 US dollars. Don't be shocked. This may be the beginning of something big. That's why I am going live right now. I also believe in this company, Emmanuel. A lot of us believe in this company. I mean, I make videos every day only on Bionano Genomics, guys. I follow more than 100 stocks. I could be making video about, Dogecoin right now with all this Elon Musk drama going on happening right now. I could be making video about Dogecoin or about Tesla, but I chose to make video only about Bngo. So that shows how much I also believe in this company and in this sector. I think I am the only YouTuber that focused almost 100% on Bngo, okay? Because my other colleagues, they make videos about some other stocks, they cover other sectors, but I just focus 100% on Bngo. I put all my resources into this company. So if you guys have any questions, please use the comment section. If not, we are going to be trading live together today. I have some free time, and so let's just switch over to this is the hourly candlestick, the hours, and right now we can see we touched a resistance right here, guys. I mean, there is a resistance right here at 5.72 US dollars on the hourly candlestick. And if we go to let me put an horizontal line right here. I want to trade with you guys today. Okay, I am not a day trader, but I have the skills. I just don't day trade. So I want to play around with you guys today, and we can do the technical analysis together. So there is a cap up. There is a cap up right here. Let me switch over to I just spotted a cap up. 30 minutes. No, it's not visible on the 30 minutes. It's not visible on the 15 minutes. On the 5 minutes, okay, it's visible a little bit on the 5 minutes. You guys can see it. There is a cap. There is a cap right here. You can see the gap. There is a gap right here. So if we go to the dailies, I want to see the volume. Okay, I want to see this because the volume, okay, we have 10.3 million volumes right now, 10.3 million shares changing hand right now. I mean, the volume is down, from the dailies. We have to wait till the market close before we can, know what is going on the dailies. So this is the situation right now, guys. This is the 4 hours candlestick. Bionano Genomics right now is trading at 5.64 US dollars. I hope you guys can see it. I think I need to adjust this screen a little bit so that you guys can see. Just a second. I don't want to reduce it, I have to adjust it so that you guys, okay, good. So now you can see the price, and okay, good. So Bngo right now, guys, if you have any question, please use the comment section to ask. What's going on there? Sakatao Records, Mr. Big up himself. What's going on, guys? Mark Allen, thanks, guys. Thanks for checking in. Bngo, baby. Bngo. We opened around 5.23 US dollars, and right now we are up like 3%. We went as high as 5.78 US dollars, but we hit a resistance up there. So right now we are consolidating below this resistance. So we will see what's going to happen. Let's just wait and see what is going to happen. This is a breakout happening, guys. That is why I go live. This is a breakout happening. We may be making history right here. Okay, this may be some kind of history in the making. Who knows? So we may never see 5 US dollars again. Okay, I mean, this is a breakout on the dailies level. I only focus on the dailies, weeklies. I don't focus on 1 hour candlestick or 5 minute or 1 minute. No, that is for day traders. I focus on the dailies, and right now there is a breakout happening on the dailies, and that is why I am live. Okay, I mean, you guys can see it. We are finally out of this channel, so hopefully we will get a lot of tools. A lot of institutional investors are going to buy more shares of Bionano Genomics, and finally we don't get to go back into this horrible bearish channel that we have been since February. So what's going on, everyone? Daniel, what's going on? Daniel Ribeiro, what's going on, guys? If you have any questions, please use the comment section and drop it. Any question about Bionano Genomics, let me know, or technical analysis. This is what I do best, guys. I mean, hello Sharon, hello sister, welcome on board. Thanks for checking in. Bngo, we are out of the channels, guys. I mean, this bearish channel right here, you guys can see. Let me try and see if I can. Yeah, okay, now I think it's better right now. I think it's good now. So you guys can see we are out of this horrible channel that we have been in for for months now. We have finally broken out of the channel. So Let's see what's gonna happen. We are out of the channel. So we hit this resistance right here like few minutes ago. This is the resistance that we have to get above next. Okay, so right now we are right on top of the, now the resistance is a support. This long resistance is finally a support. We need to stay above that support level right now. That is the deal. So what's going on? Good morning, Sharon. Right now in Germany it's 4 past 4, 4 p.m. in Germany right now. I just got back from work, 8 hours work. I woke up like 4:45 a.m. That's when I usually wake up, go to work, and right now you can see it in my eyes. I'm a little bit tired. I slept like 4.5 hours. So yeah, but this is what I love doing. So no matter how tired I am, I can always come online and share some beautiful news with you guys. If you are new on this channel, my name is Dayo and this is Frunkla Investment, where we talk about Bionano Genomics stock. Every day I post at least one video about this company, okay? So right now, this is the situation of the market. Bngo is up like 2.3%, but the reason why I'm making this live video is because we are finally out of this channel, this horrible bearish channel, okay? We are finally out of it. That's why I am making this live stream right now. So but if you have any question for me, please feel free to drop it. I mean, we can always talk about any other stock as well, not only BNGO, because this is live. Of course, this video is about BNGO and I only make video about BNGO, but I mean, I have been doing this for years. So even though this channel is 100% BNGO, I have experience with other stocks as well. So this is the situation of the market right now, guys. This is the situation. We are out of this horrible channel. Finally, I can see a light at the end of this dark tunnel. I told you guys that there is there's going to be a light at the end of the tunnel. You just have to hang in there and wait patiently. I mean, I am not a day trader. I am an investor, and I am planning to hold on to my shares as long as possible. And any opportunity I get, I want to add to my portfolio. I want to add to my positions. Okay, so I mean, when the market opened, I was tracking this. If I let me go to the 1 hour candlestick, I was tracking this when the market opened. If I was a day trader, I would open a new position around this level, around this 5.43 US dollars. And immediately we got to this 5.78 US dollars, I would close my position immediately because it was going to come back. It was going to retrace. You don't just break all these moving averages easily. This red is the 150 moving average. We are on the hour candlestick. So this blue is like, this is the 100. So the 150, the 100, this is the 200, the 150, the 100. I don't mess with those moving averages, guys. I mean, I trust them, almost with my life. So immediately the price touched such moving average, it was going to come back. That is what's going to happen, and that's what is happening right now. So we are right now consolidating above. We have managed to turn this resistance right here into support, and right now we are consolidating above that support level right now. So we need to continue to go higher, guys. What's up, Daniel? Yeah, I know, it's always this. Anytime the stock market is, going down, anytime the company you are invested in is going down, most people always chicken out, and you know, we always lose, we always, because of the negative sentiment, we always lose hope somehow. It's human nature to lose hope if your investment is going down. So you just lose hope. You don't want to add more money to you don't want to add new position, for example, and so on. And the thing is, you always buy into weakness, you sell into strength. This is an example of buying into weakness and selling into strength. You guys can see this candlestick was full of strength here. It went up, This was a perfect time to sell if you were a day trader, because it was going to come back down. I mean, you don't just go up like this. Of course, in some situation, it will just keep going higher, yeah. But that is just to show you guys an example. You know, you buy into weakness, you sell into strength. It is as simple as that. So this is the situation of the market right now. We have a breakout happening, and yeah, that is the situation. I think I'm just going to, you know, stay for a while, and I will just keep watching what's gonna happen next. This may be the beginning of something really big, okay? Because you know, BNGO right now is up 2%. It was up around five, I think it was like five or 4 point something percent, you know, when I started to make this live stream. 4.65% when I started to make this live stream. So now it has retraced a little bit. When I posted the video about this live stream, it was, you know, just about to break out. Okay, it was around this 4.45 5.45 US dollars level. So yeah. So let's make some just for fun price prediction for the end of the week. Okay. So all you have to do is you just have to go to your to the daily candlestick. That's where I'm going to start with you guys. Let's go to the dailies. So this is what I am expecting to happen. Okay. We have this 20 dailies moving average. You guys can see it here. We have it at right now it is at 5.81 US dollars. You guys can see it here. This yellow right here, 5.81 US dollars. We need to get above that level. Okay, if we get above 5.81 US dollars, then this right here is next. Okay, I am teaching you guys some of my skills, some technical analysis skills. Okay, 7.39 US dollars is next. No, we don't have any other resistance. There is no resistance right here. If we break above this 5.81 US dollars, guys, we are going next to this 7.39 US dollars, this level. That's where we are going next, because nothing can stop us here. Fundamentally, nothing has changed about this company. Okay, nothing has changed. Only good news. I have shared like 7 videos, you know, about the earnings call, the earning report with you guys, and you guys can see Bionano Genomics right now is sitting on millions of US dollars, about 360 something million US dollars they have in cash. They have paid off all their debt. Okay, they don't owe anybody any money right now. They paid everything off. They have they raised about 40 million US dollars at the market. If you check my most recent video, I think the one I posted yesterday, or I think yesterday, I spoke about at the market. You know, they raised 40 million US dollars in the first quarter of 2021, and that 40 million US dollars is enough for them to spend. Oh my God, Aptera, thanks for that. Thanks so much. Yeah, thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. I mean, thank you for supporting the channel. So, Bionano Genomics raised about 40 million US dollars at the market, and in 12 months, according to my own calculation and according to some analysts, you know, that are covering Bionano Genomics right now, BNGO, they need about 50 million US dollars to run their business for 1 year. Okay, 50 million US dollars. So think about it. They have already raised 40 million US dollars at the market in the first quarter of 2021. They have cash right now, about 367 million US dollars, I think, around that. They have cash right now. Okay, they have enough money to run their business at least for the next. If they need 50 million US dollars to run their business for 1 year, and they have 367 million US dollars in cash, that means we can run this business for at least 5 years. You know, without, you know, spending much. So on a normal, they can just run their business for 5 years without taking loan from anybody and so on. So now, excuse me, what we have to do right now is, you know, we just have to believe in the company, like I have been doing. I have been sharing my own, you know, what I am doing with you guys for educational purpose. Of course, this is not financial advice. That's just what I'm doing. This company is in good position. They need to start, they need to continue to deliver, you know, by installing more Sapphire devices. And according to the CEO, he said for 2021 they plan to install, to have like 150 Sapphires installed in 2021 till the end of this year. So I mean, that is it. They are delivering, they are not spending a lot of money, they have enough money. So what is it? What else do we want? I mean, this is a gold mine right here. Bngo is the gold standard. So end of week price target, like I said, we need, because I am very realistic, okay, I don't just talk about price targets easily. That's why I think I made only one video about price targets on this channel. You know, my long-term price target remains 100 US dollars. But end of the week, I can predict with you guys that if we manage to break this 5.82 US dollars, I don't know if it's gonna be today or tomorrow. That is it. You just forget about end of week price target. If we break this 5.82 US dollars and we stay above it, maybe we consolidate here for 2 or 3 days, you know, around this level. But the next resistance is right here, 7.39 US dollars, okay. And according to the video that I shared few days ago, I told you guys that Jason McCarley from Maxim Group and Jeffrey Cohen, Landebach Talma analyst, you know, Oppenheimer analyst, they have a consensus price target of around 13 US dollars, I believe, or I think it's around, I can't really remember the numbers right now, but okay, around 12.10 US dollars. I put this right here. I think it's 12 US dollars. That is the consensus price target of all the three analysts that are covering Bionano Genomics right now. Okay, so look at where we are, guys. I mean, we are just beginning. This is just the beginning of the breakout. So Sharon, I think we are going to the next level soon. People are starting to take notice of Bngo. Guys, if you go to stock tweet, we have like more than 100,000 followers of Bngo on stock tweet, something like that. Murat, what's up, Murat? Welcome. Hello, Sam. Hello there, Sakata Records once again. So, I think for the second quarter of 2021, the CEO already said, you know, he already predicted what they expect for the second quarter of 2021. What's up, Dakpo? Thanks very much, Dakpo. Oshiva Bami, thank you. I was just, you know, trying to go live and have some fun with you guys, but you guys are just too awesome. So end of the week, in my opinion, we need to break this 5.81 US dollars. Like I already said, we touched it briefly today. You guys can see it here. The high was 5.78 US dollars. So if we break this 5.78 US dollars today, I mean, end of the week, you can just enjoy the view end of the week. Once we break this resistance, you just have to sit back and chill out. I mean, hopefully the entire market situation is going to remain the same, not negative. If it becomes positive, this is awesome for Bngo, okay? So, 6.82 US dollars, 6.0. I mean, look at it. I don't need to tell you guys a exact price. Like, we just have to break that resistance. Look at this right here, guys. We have the next, look at this. When we got here at 7.69 US dollars, we came back down, okay? This is the daily candlestick. Don't forget, guys. On the 26th of April and the 27th of April, we went as high as this around the 6.69 US dollars level. Then we started to go down. So if we break this resistance right here, this 20 daily moving average, 5.82 US dollars, this is where we're going next, guys. We can go here and consolidate a little bit, or we are going to touch this 7.39 US dollars on the upper moving average of the Bngo band. Then we are going to consolidate a little bit. If we continue to have good news and good market sentiment, then we don't have any reason to come down. I mean, that is it. This is a breakout happening, guys, and that is why I am going live with you guys. I am super excited. Oh my God, Sharon, thank you. You guys are going to spoil me. Thank you, Sharon. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you, Darkball. I mean, I don't expect this, okay? I just wanted to go live and have some fun with you guys. This is crazy. This is crazy. So Bngo is up 4.35% right now, and it is a beautiful day so far. I mean, I'm not here to get rich quick, guys. I mean, if I get rich quick, fine. I am not here to, see a candlestick that is going to go from $5 to $10 in one day. We have already, I've seen a lot of this kind of candles already. Okay, look at this. In January, I started to invest in Bionano Genomics in December around this breakout level, just when it was about to go crazy. Around this level, around this first candlestick right here. This is when I started to invest in BNGO. 23rd of December, 22nd of December, and 23rd of December, when most of you guys were preparing for Christmas, I was watching the charts and doing my due diligence on Bionano Genomics. I still have all my positions that I opened around the cent level. I still have them open. So on January, on 3rd of January, the stock price just went crazy. It just went crazy, and everyone was going crazy about Bionano Genomics. Okay, so right now I have been adding to my positions. Coming down, I have been adding to my positions, and I mean, I just expect, I don't want this price to fly, okay? I just want it to keep going higher little by little, consolidation a little bit, going higher so that most of us can keep adding to these positions monthly, okay? I mean, this is not investment advice, okay? I want to keep adding to my positions little by little every month. I don't want this price to just go higher immediately, because then if we go to, for example, let's say we break the all-time high, let's say we go to this all-time high at 15 point, I think that was 15.69 US dollars. That was the maximum, okay? If we get to this maximum, Bionano Genomics, I mean, this will give them the opportunity to try to raise another fund, because last quarter they raised 40 million US dollars at the market. So if this price, and I think they raised it around 9 point something US dollars, around this level they raised that money, 9 point something US dollars, 40 million US dollars. So if we get above 40 million US dollars, let's say we go to 12, I can promise you guys Binary Genomics is going to make another ATM at the market offering if we get to 12 US dollars. Why? Because when we were at 3 US dollars, that was when they first made public offering, okay? Around this price they made the first public offering, the stock price came down, opened with a cap down, then we went higher. Then when we got to 6 US dollars, they made another public offering, around this I think it was on the 14th of January or so. They made another public offering, and the stock price continued to go higher. So when we got to 9 US dollars in March 20 something, they made at the market offering, and this agreement that they signed with Cohen and Co, and they were able to raise 40 million US dollars at 9 US dollars. So at 3 US dollars, at 6 US dollars, at 9 US dollars, that means if we get to 12 US dollars, they may raise, they may make another money, maybe 40 million US dollars, maybe 50 million. I have no idea, but that's just my prediction. If we get to 12 US dollars, they are going to raise another money, and that is going to keep adding to their bag. It will keep strengthening the company. That means they can bring in more head count, they can employ more, more people that will be working with them to help on research and development, for example, or on marketing and sales. And we can have more sapphires installed. They can have enough people to go out there to all these clinics, to all these laboratories, and try to preach the gospel of the sapphire device, and try to let people know what is going on with optical genome mapping using sapphire devices, which is going to of course translate into more sales, more revenues, and that means we retail investors can finally make more profit on our investment on of Bionano Genomics. So guys, not to divert too much, we are right now facing a breakout. Okay, this is just a live stream to let you guys know what is going on. Marco C, keep pumping Dayo. I am not pumping anything, guys. I mean, I just love talking about this company, Bngo. If I want to pump stocks, I could easily choose, there are tons of stocks that I follow every day, but somehow I love what Bionano Genomics is doing. I am super interested in all this biochemistry. I went to university in Poland. I studied automatics and robotics. I mean, I have no business in biochemistry, guys. I have never done biochemistry before, except when I was in high school. And right now, I am talking every day about biochemistry, more or less, talking about all these genomes, cells, and so on and so forth. So this is something that's super interesting, and I am very excited in doing all these things, sharing my own little research with you guys, little experience. And hello Murat. Hello Murat. So, good question. You guys can easily drop question, I mean, if you have any question, just drop it and I can, cover it. I have enough time. So, Sam, what is the good point to get in? So, I will tell you how I normally get into stocks. Right now, we have a breakout. If this is your first time on learning about Bngo, if you are not yet invested in Bngo, let's say you have at least 300 US dollars, you can divide it into six. If let's say you have a budget of 300 US dollars that you want to put in Bngo, I don't advise anybody going all in at one price, okay? Even though we have a breakout that is happening right now, I would prefer you divide your investment into segments, into sections. So right now I would put 50 US dollars, for example. That means you have about 250 US dollars left to invest, okay? So you can just divide it like every 50 cents you add a position. So right now, let's say the price is at 5.61 US dollars. You can open one position right now at for 50 US dollars. Then when the price gets to 6 US dollars, you can add another position. When the price gets to 6.5 US dollars, you can add to your position. That means you have like 150 US dollars, cash. Now, should in case anything bad happens, if the market sentiment goes down again, let's say inflation is about to rise again, all this yield bonds story, appears once again, then the price goes down, then you can average down. That is how you do it. But if it keeps going higher, then you can add another position at 7 US dollars, at 7.5 US dollars. That is how to play it safe, okay? So yeah. And of course, some people normally, let's say you have added like 6 positions, you can always take profit from your lower position. Should in case you want to take some profit, you can take some profit. It depends on the price action. Let's say you hit a resistance, you can close the last one, and if the price comes down a little bit, you can add it once again. So that is how day traders, for example, they play it. But I am a long-term investor. I don't take profit. I just put my money, like I just explained, like every 50 cents I add a position and I just hold. So that's what I do. So if you want to, open position, if you are not yet invested, you can easily open a position right now, for example, and you wait a little bit. For example, when we break this resistance of 5.81 US dollars, you can add another position according to, it's either you do it like every 50 cents, or if you are good at candlestick analysis, you do it at every resistance. If we break a resistance, we go up, we come down to retest it. After turning the resistance into a support, then you add a new position. So that's how some people play it. So what's going on, everyone? What's going on, everyone? If you have any question, please drop it. Drop it. Let me know what you guys are doing. Please let me know what you're doing in the comment section. Right now, Bionano Genomics is up 4.44%, 4.4%. I mean, today is a good day, okay? This is green. We have been going down for weeks. Check, check this out, guys. Look at the volume on Friday. That was absolutely insane. That was a huge volume. This volume is bigger than what we have seen so far since February. February was the last time we saw this kind of volume. On February the volume was 101 million, shares, and on Friday the volume was 103. Wow, it was even bigger than what we had on February. And apart from January, this is the biggest volume so far since 4 months now, guys. I mean, on Friday that was the biggest volume. And of course, a lot of institutional investors filed their 13F, and we saw a lot of them buying Bionano Genomics like crazy. We saw Vanguard went crazy, and most of them were just doubling down, adding to their position. Some were even like Jode Capital, for example, they were adding like increase their position by 77%, guys. I mean, they are taking advantage of, what the market situation is right now. They are taking advantage of the sell off and adding to their position. And I can promise you guys, I mean, Geode Capital, for example, when I analyzed their positions in 3 months ago, I analyzed Geode Capital's position and I realized they are adding to their position of Bionano Genomics like every quarter. And I can promise you guys that last week, when the price was around this 4.35 US dollars, most of those institutional investors went crazy shopping. While most of us were panicking, I am very sure they went crazy shopping. And you guys remember from last week videos, I was telling you that this 200 daily moving average, we were, when the price was here, I remember when the price was 5.12 US dollars, I told you guys to be patient, that this price for sure was still going to go down because this candlestick was not bullish enough for me. And of course, when we opened on Wednesday and on Thursday, we went down. We set a new low. I believe on Tuesday, when the price went higher, a lot of retail investors added to their position at this 5.12 US dollars. But I was waiting for this cheaper price because I knew it was going to go down according to the candlestick pattern. And of course, we went down on Thursday. I added to my position at 4.5 US dollars and 4.20 something US dollars again, and we retraced. So right now there is a breakout happening on the technical levels. Okay, so hopefully we are going to break this resistance at 5.81 US dollars. Right now the resistance is at 5.82 US dollars, and finally we can keep going higher. So maybe tomorrow I am going to go live again and try to trade with you guys, technical analysis, and share more information with you guys to let you know what is happening. Okay, so this is the 1 hour candlestick, and for the past 1 hour we didn't really do anything. Okay, the price has just stayed the same, which is very good. We are consolidating. I mean, you would expect the price to keep going down again, but right now the price is stable, which is good in my opinion. Yeah, Renaissance Technologies, they went crazy shopping. 9.4 million shares, guys. 9.4 million. That was crazy. Thanks, Murat. Thanks for checking in. Have a wonderful day. See you next time. They went crazy shopping. Renaissance Technology. I mean, they know what they are doing. When I saw their 13F filing, I went like, wow, this is the kind of positions that I would love institutional investors to keep opening. I mean, millions of shares, 9.4 million shares. I would love institutional investors to keep opening such positions, not 3,000 shares or 4,000 shares like we retail traders. They need to open bigger positions, millions of shares. That is going to help Bngo stock price to go higher. So let me see, what time is it? 37. So I am on like 37 minutes now. I'm going to wait a little bit, and I'm going to keep chilling with you guys a little bit. If you have any question, feel free to let me know. So in the meantime, let me see what I can share with you guys. I want to share something with you guys. So Bionano Genomics first quarter earnings. I want to share something with you guys so that we don't just while the price. Oh my god, Mike P, thanks so much, brother. You guys are spoiling me today. Thank you so much, Mike. That's crazy. I want to share more information with you guys. I have to update. I mean, right now I am just using a software to go live. This software is called OBS. I am using OBS right now. That's why I am unable to share all your support on the screen. I have to, upgrade my service, and I can be able to share your support on the screen, because this is something big, guys. I mean, I am super happy. I am very, very lucky to have you guys. I don't need 1 million subscribers or whatever. I am super happy with what I have with you guys, my family on Bngo. So this is Bionano Genomics Inc. Q1 2021 earnings call transcript. Okay, so while the stock market is still open, let me just try and share some news with you guys, and I want to share some news with you guys. So Let's take a look at, for example, so that we don't just talk too much. Let's take a look at questions from, because I already went through most of all this. Okay, so let's take a look at questions from Oppenheimer, Kevin the Gila from Oppenheimer. Let's take a look at it and see what we can discuss together, and maybe hopefully we are going to discover something. Okay, so Kevin the Gila. So this is the question. Kevin the Gila, he's an analyst from Oppenheimer covering Bionano Genomics. He asked several questions. He asked Eric Homlin, the CEO of Bionano Genomics, some questions, and the first question has to do with, he said, "Hey guys, just two more quick ones from me in terms of, okay, this is not the first question he asked. Let me see where he started. Kevin the Gila. Kevin, where are you? Okay, this is where he started. Kevin the Gila. Okay." So he said, thanks for the update, very positive all around. So a few housekeeping, can you give us a breakdown of reagents, rental versus your capital purchase on the 11th placement of a quarter? So that one is not interesting. Here he was talking about the 11, because in the first quarter of 2021, Bionano Genomics installed, they were able to place like 11 Sapphire devices, okay, in the first quarter of 2021. So until then, they used to have like 96 Sapphires placed. So they placed 11 in the first quarter. And first of all, let me see where the stock price is. And I have to refresh it. Let's see where the stock price is. Okay, so this is the situation of the market right now. Okay, we are up like 3.33% right now. So Kevin Degeda asked Bionano Genomics CEO about the 11th placement and the reagent rental service versus the capital purchase. That one is not super interesting. Let's continue. And thanks to listening opportunities of reimbursement strategy. Represent fundamental studies organized pillar 1,000 patients. Okay, so this one is a interesting question. He said, "Great notes and thanks for that. And listen, appreciate the details updates, blah 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 blah." So he said, kind of which site, and as we think about, I think you called out, 1,000 patients as kind of target data sets size, and kind of collectivities across sort of three each, blah blah blah. This question is, the Amazonian malignancy as a leukemia and lymphoma, and our plan is to have 1,000 patients in each of those 5 areas spread across the multiple sites that are participating. Okay, no, let's leave that. That one is not super interesting. 1,000 patient threshold, and this kind of, I don't know why Kevin the Killer is not really asking. I mean, this during the earnings call of the fourth quarter of 2020 earnings call, these guys were asking some kind of interesting questions. But in the first quarter, I mean, I have gone through most of all this, and I couldn't find anything super interesting apart from the questions that were from Michael Okunevich. This guy was representing he's from Maxim Group. He was representing, what's the name of this guy once again? Kevin Degeda from Maxim Group didn't come. Okay, so Michael was representing him, and Michael was asking some interesting questions about the next generation Sapphire devices. I already made a video about this. 5,000 samples per year, how on the 14-fold increase in the throughput, the Cytopia. So, this guy was asking interesting questions, but I don't know why Kevin Egeda is just, kind of cold. So BNG right now is up 4.63%, guys. Right now it is trading at 5.66 US dollars, 5.64 US dollars. It's a beautiful day, guys. A beautiful day. Let me switch over to the 15-minute candlestick. So right now the price is stable. You guys can see the 15 minutes, we are still trading at more or less the all-time high of today. Okay, that's where we are still trading right now. The high that we set today, we set the high of 5.79 US dollars on this candlestick, and right now we are trading at 5.68 US dollars. So it is still very good. It is still very good. It is very good. You guys can see there was some kind of flag. If you guys know the flag pattern, this is a little flag that happened right here. Last week Friday we saw this flag happening. Last week Friday when the price went as high as 5.58 US dollars, most people probably closed their position thinking it was over. I knew because we hit this resistance, this long-term resistance right here, and I knew the price was going to consolidate a little bit before we continue the journey higher. So that is what is happening today. If you guys go to my channel, you can see I posted a video on Saturday telling you guys to be ready for the breakout that is going to happen today, and that is what is happening right now. The breakout is happening. If you go to the dailies, you can see clearly that the breakout is happening right now. Let me get rid of that. So this is what is happening right now. We are at the beginning of a breakout, and if everything, if all the stars aligned, for Bionano Genomics, this may be the beginning of something great, and this may be the beginning of we retail investors finally making profit again, and some of our super red positions can finally turn green. Okay, so for those of you that are new on this channel, my name is Dayo. Welcome to Frunkla Investment. Right here we talk about Bionano Genomics stock. Every day I post at least one video. Sharon. So that is what is happening, guys. I'm just gonna wait like 15 more minutes. Let's see what's gonna happen in the next 20 minutes, and we can end this live chat. I am really enjoying spending some time with you guys, going live and talking about Bngo. This has been super super fun. I mean, I didn't expect it to be this fun, but I'm very happy that we are all enjoying it. So this is the situation of the market right now, guys. I mean, 1 hour candlestick. Let's take a look. Let's see what's happening. So this is what is happening. So if you go to the 1 hours, I mean, I think we have a cap up on the 1 hour candlestick. We have a cap up. Yeah, we have a cap up. Look at this, guys. There was a gap. I told you guys that there was a gap. Look at this. 5.69 US dollars. That is where we gap up. I mean, if this candlestick is correct, there was a gap right here. So it means the volume is increasing, and we are getting a lot of buyers. Okay, we have a lot of buyers. A lot of people are jumping on the stock. Let's take a look at what IO. Let's take a look at what institutional investors have done. If we have a new filing, a new 13F filings, So, whoa, guys, so we have some new filings. Okay, we have 4 filings today, 413F filings today. One is bearish. Exodus Point Capital Management LLP, they sold their positions. They just filed. I mean, not today. Okay, this is what they did in the first quarter of 2021, not what they are doing right now. Let's take a look at Exodus Point Capital Management LLC, and let's see what they have been up to. So this right here is a short seller. This is a perfect example of a short seller, guys. If you take a look at this on the February 16, 2000 and this year, February 16th, they disclosed 161,000 shares of Bionano Genomics at a value of 496 US dollars. So they have been short selling BNGO since February 16th. You guys can see minus 100%. This fund right here is a short seller. They are holding 0 shares at $0 right now. And from their most recent 13F filing, which was filed today, you guys can see they own nothing. So this is a perfect example of short sellers. They are the reason that BNGO stock goes down. Okay, look at this. This portfolio value is 6.8 billion US dollars portfolio value, and for sure that is why they are not going to get richer, because if you have this stupid mentality of this edge short selling mentality, you can't really be successful with all this. I mean, they need to stop this short selling at one point. Okay, I understand short selling is also providing liquidity to the market. Okay, but still it's crazy. So let's take a look at so we have Capstone Investment Advisor LLC. They have like 14,607 shares of Bionano Genomics, and we have Cetera Investment Advisors. They also have 14,000 shares of Bngo. I mean, I don't know what is wrong with these two guys. 14,000, 14,000. It's like they are they are making family meeting before they, you know, before they open position in Bngo. So that is apart from 15th. This is what happened on Saturday. I haven't reported this with you guys. 58,200 shares of Bionano Genomics by Jump Financial. So right now we have a lot of institutional investors jumping on BNGO. Take a look at this, guys. Bionano Genomics Inc. has 116 institutional owners and shareholders that have filed 13D and G or 13F forms. 116 institutional owners. The last time I checked, this was 106. Okay, 106. The last time I checked this number, it was 100. So we are having more institutional investors jumping on board the Bionano Genomics train to the promised land. So that is a beautiful news, guys. I mean, so right now we are up like 5.4%. I feel like I need to continue doing this live stream. Maybe it is helping the price of Bionano Genomics somehow. Who knows? So the stock is up like we are trading at 5.70 US dollars right now. We are up over 5% right now. So let's take a look at, so we have like 116 institutional owners right now of BNGO, and I would love to see a lot of 13G filings, but I haven't seen, we haven't seen any updated 13G filings so far. We have just been seeing 13F, and so far Vanguard Group Inc. is still the largest, the most recent big filing that we have seen so far. And I made a video, talking about 5.58 US dollars, guys. I made a video, and I told you guys we have a lot of institutional investors too at 5.58 US dollars average share price. Okay, now if I click on this average share price, let me show you guys something. If I click on this average share, I already made a video on this. Take a look at this, guys. We have take a look at this, guys. We have 5.72 up till, look at that, 5.58, 5.58, all the way up 5.50. I mean, I think 5.58 US dollars is a lucky number. Look at BlackRock, for example. They have 5.58. Their average share price is at 5.58 US dollars at 3.4 million shares. Okay, now take a look at Jude Capital, 5.58 US dollars. Take a look at Pura Vida Investment with 1 million shares of BNGO, 5.58 US dollars. I mean, take a look at Vanguard Group Inc. 5.58 US dollars. What is going on, guys? What is with this 5.58 US dollars? If you have your average below 5.58 US dollars, you are lucky. I mean, you have to be happy with your position, because we have a lot of tools. All these big boys, they have their position, their average share price at 5.58 US dollars. So that is a number worth noticing. I don't know what is wrong with this one. I need to play lottery, guys, and put 5.58 US dollars as my as my number. Yeah, we are right now trading at 5.70 US dollars, up 5.59% right now, and BNGO, baby, BNGO. So let's quickly take a look at Bionano Genomics. Let's see what they have posted most recently. I think I have to reduce this let me reduce it a little bit so that you guys can see. Let's see if Bionano Genomics if they post something that is interesting most recently. Apart from this, Bionano Genomics report first quarter 2021 financial results and highlights recent business progress. That is their most recent, and company overview. So let's talk about the overview, since there is nothing much to company overview. I have like 10 minutes left to spend with you guys. It has been amazing so far. So How Sapphire is becoming a leader in cytogenomics accuracy, speed, cost, and ease of use. So the diagnostic journey often ends in frustration, disappointment, and premature death because the current tools are insufficient. That's why I fell in love with this company. I mean, Bngo, with the Sapphire device, they are helping researchers to find cures, to diagnose, to find answers to all these constitutional genetic diseases. Okay, genetic diseases, blood cancer. We are talking about, hematological malignancies. You guys know that hematological malignancies, we are talking about leukemias, and we have different kind of leukemias. We have this acute myeloid leukemia, we have this ALL leukemia, and so on. And Bionano Genomics Sapphire is the only device out there, that can, analyze all these optical, all these structural variations that exist, above 500 BP, and they are doing what the all these sequencing technologies out there, from Pac Bio, for example, the Novus X6000, or from Illumina, from Pac Bio is what's the name of this Pac Bio device even? I forgot. And Novus X6000 is from Illumina. So only Sapphire is able to do all these things. Not to talk too much. Structural variations, detecting all these deletions, translocations, insertion, repeat expansion, inversion, only their device. Take a look at this, guys. Sequencers cannot reliably detect structural variations, okay? SMPs to small structural variations, that is where you can find sequencers. You can see them. Sequencers can detect this right here. That is what they can detect. You have the Illumina and Novus X6000 right here, and you have the Pac Bio. What is the name of this Pac Bio device, guys? Please help me in the comment section. What's the name of this Pac Bio device? Can't really remember. So large structural variations, that is where sequencers cannot see, and that is where the Sapphire device comes in. Okay, so what's going on, everyone? What is the price of the stock right now? 5.16. Let me just refresh this, and what is with this 5.69? What is going on? Let me switch over to the 5 minutes candlestick. I want to see what is going on the 5 minutes. Okay, so on the 5 minutes, we have set a double top on the 5 minutes. That is what is happening right now. There is a double top on the 5 minutes candlestick. That is why the price has been, refusing to get above 5.72 US dollars. We need to break this right here, guys. This is a double top on the 5 minutes candlesticks, and of course I don't trade. I'm not here to trade, but I am just here to let you guys know what is happening. So if I was day trading right now, this is what I would do, guys. I would plot a line right here. Let me show you guys what is happening. So this is the situation right here. We have our resistance, we have the resistance right here, and we have the support here. So right now the price is expected, normally is expected to come down to this level, 5.60 US dollars or 5.59. It depends on when the price got here. Okay, so right now the price is expected to come down to this support and continue upward. So if we break this resistance right here, we are going to continue higher. If we break this support, we are coming back here. Let me show you guys where we're coming. We are coming back here, at 5.46 US dollars. That's where we're coming back. So if I was day trading, that is the situation right now. Okay, so what's up, everyone? Yes, Sharon, I mean, you helped me to, the first time I was checking, I went live, I was super nervous. Okay, it's really not easy to be live, guys. I mean, it is not easy. I don't know how these journalists, how they do it, speaking on television all the time. It's really, making video is very easy than going live, because when you go live, everything has to be perfect. Your internet connection, the lighting, for example, the camera, the microphone, and you have to communicate with your, viewers. So it's not really easy, while you also keep focus of what you are presenting. That's why my first video was super crazy. I was super nervous. But right now, thanks to people like Sharon, my sisters, and and my brothers, and you guys, you are helping me to find my confidence. So let's continue. Now, that is why Sapphire device is, superior whenever it comes to large structural variations. Sapphire is the go-to device. And let me see what else I can share with you guys. So this is the cytogenetics workflow, and it is a nightmare. Okay, I mean, this is what you have to go through with all these old school dinosauria. We are talking about FSHD. This is fish, for example. You guys can see you have to take the sample. If it depends on the method that you want to use to analyze, to check the structural variation of the genome, for example. So it's either you take the blood sample, or you take the fetal tissue, or amino SVS, or bone marrow. But whenever it comes to Sapphire, I believe you just need to take one sample, you put it in the device, and Sapphire can perform all these operations right here very fast, very efficient, less labor intense, super efficient, faster than most of all this old school technology. That's what they are trying to describe to us on this page. Yeah, Mark, I mean, that's why I work every day, guys. I mean, if you do something every day, according to some successful people out there, they said you have to do something for 30 days every day before you can be successful at it. So that's why I try to do it every day to improve my skills as well, because I have experience with trading and investing already, but this is my first big channel on YouTube, so it's not easy to share. Knowing something is one thing, and sharing, being able to share it with other people is another thing. And that is the communication is very, very difficult. That's why hopefully I hope Elon Musk can somehow finish with this implant, and communication can be easier than it is right now, because I have a lot of things right here, but how to share it with you guys is the difficult part of it. So what's up, Amir? What do you think it goes in the end of the month? I already spoke about the end of the month price target. I mean, like I said, we have to break. There is a resistance at 5.81 US dollars. Around this level, we have a strong resistance. If we break it, then I'm going to make a new video, and you can come back and ask me the same question. Then I can tell you what I expect next. That's why I post video every day, because nobody knows what is going to happen tomorrow. But if we come together every day, if we come together just like this, on live stream talking about the stock, then we can always know where we are, where we were, and where we are heading towards. That's the purpose of daily videos. That's why I make only video about Bngo on this channel, so that we can all learn extensively, what Bionano Genomics is up to, how we can profit from it, and so on. That's why I make videos every day, guys. It's not easy to make predictions of what's going to happen in the future, but all analysts that are covering BNG right now, they have a price target of about 12 US dollars. I already shared it on the day list with you guys. This is their price target, okay? 12 US dollars. So I mean, right now we are trading at 5.66 US dollars right now. So you guys can see we have a long way to go. I mean, we are talking about 100 and something percent upside to get to this price target of the analyst. So if you have little money that you would like to invest, for example, right now, I mean, this is not a financial advice. If you put your money in BNG right now, if you trust the company and you trust the analyst, and you want to make 100% invest from your investment, you can easily see the price target of the analyst is at 12 US dollars consensus. So thanks, Sharon. Oh my god, you are so kind. End of year prediction. Right now we have the consensus targets, from the analyst is 12 US dollars. So you guys should, I mean, this is 100% upside from present level. So I would say 12 US dollars in the next 3 months. That is what I would say. 12 US dollars in the next 3 months. And Bionano Genomics, they are working on this Cytopia. Before the end of this year, we are going to learn more about the Cytopia, whereby they are going to increase the throughput of the Sapphire device by 14-fold. Okay, because right now we have about 5,000 human genomes per year that one Sapphire is able to analyze. So they want to increase it to by 14-fold to like 70,000 human genomes. So I mean genomes. Don't let me say human genomes, because the Sapphire is also used for animals as well. So if they are, every quarter they are coming in telling us what they have been able to do. So far the first quarter has been amazing. Okay, it has been very positive. If they keep doing like that, you guys can expect the stock price to just keep going higher. I mean, that is all I can say. It should just keep going higher. What's up, Matt? What's up, everyone? It's your boy Dayo, and this is Frunkla Investment. So, if you guys want me to end it, just let me know. If you want me to continue a little bit more, I will do it for you. If you want me to continue a little bit more, let me go to the 5 minute candlestick because there was something going on the 5 minute candlestick. Mm, this is what is going on right now on the 5 minutes. I mean, the 5 minutes is always good to see what is let me see if I can, let me draw this trend line. Okay, so we have this resistance and we have this support. You guys can see this is a flag. This is a flag. And whenever a trend is bullish, if a trend is bullish and the fundamentals are still good, you can expect this to break to the upside. I don't expect it to break to the downside. The fundamentals are good right now, and it seems the market sentiment right now is also good. So I expect this price to break to the upside, okay, not the downside. The market situation right now is positive, and yeah, I mean, yeah, we should break to the upside, okay. So let me see if we can touch this 5.81 US dollars before I end this live stream. What's up, 83 Alex? I mean, we have been going higher since the market opened, okay? We have been going high. We started around this level. We opened at 5.23 US dollars, guys. We have been going higher since then. I mean, from 5.23 US dollars, now we are at 5.68 US dollars. We are up like 5.37% right now. So I don't expect Bionano Genomics to go lower. But if you want to add to your position, this is not day trading advice, okay? Because I am an investor, but as somebody that is familiar with candlesticks. Oh, so right now we are touching the resistance, guys. We just touched it for the third time. We are touching the resistance. So let's see if we are going to break to the upside, because right now the price is flagging. The price is flagging. We are consolidating. This is a flag right here, okay? This is a flag. We are flagging. Let's see if we can break to the upside. Let's see if we can break to the upside. Short interest is 21%. So we just broke it. We just broke the 5 minute resistance. We just broke it, guys. We just broke it. We broke it. We broke it. Can we sustain it? Can the price stay above this resistance? Are we going to turn it into support? Are we going to turn the resistance into support? If we manage to turn it into support, then this is where we are going next. This is the high of the day, 5.79 US dollars. So right now the price is 5.73 US dollars. I mean, I don't trade options or whatever. If I was trading option right now, this is how most option traders, day traders, this is how they do it. So if you break out, you have to wait for the price to completely break out. You can see that we came back down a little bit. Once the price breaks out a little bit, most of the times it comes down to retest it, then you can add to your position, then it goes back up and test the resistance. This is the resistance right here. So this is what is happening right now, guys. So genomics 15% year after year to 2028. Mr. MLG Pro, what's up? What's up? Hello GMY. 5.73. What's up, guys? 5.73 is a good price. I mean, I have positions at 12 point something US dollars. Okay, those positions are down like more than 60%. But since I am investing in this company and I don't need the money any moment, so I just leave it there. I just leave it there. So this is the situation right now, guys. This is the situation. We are flagging, okay? We need a strong candle to get out of here. We need a strong candle to get out of here. We are still flagging. This is the situation. I mean, right now we are up like 5.28%, but this is 5 minutes chart. Let me remind you guys, I mean, this is the dailies. Forget about the 5 minutes for a minute. This is what is happening on the dailies. The beginning of something great in my opinion. Hopefully we are going to continue, to go higher. This may be history in the making right here. I mean, this video we are making right now, this live stream may be history. Okay, we may be making history. I mean, in the next couple of months, we may look back and wonder why we didn't buy more at this price. Let's go back to the 5 minutes because it's much more interesting on the 5 minute level. Sony, what's up, Sony? 13,000 shares. Oh my god, you are a baller. 13,000 shares. Yeah, that's how to do it. I mean, I am not in a hurry. I'm adding to my position every month. Okay, I have more than 20,000 US dollars right now in Bngo, and I am looking to add more still every month on every retracement. Right now the price is still good in my opinion. We are trading at 5.68, and I just showed you guys that the Bngo institutional investors, most of them have their average. Look at this average share price at 5.58 US dollars. Look at that. Most of all those big whales, should I even call it, they are even more than whale. They have their positions average price at 5.58 US dollars. Okay, so if you are able to open a position below this level, super lucky. Last week was a super lucky week. I added enough positions below 5 US dollars. So right now we are still below 6 US dollars. So in my opinion, we are still at a good price. Okay, 9,000 warrants. Crazy. 680 shares at 6.80. 6.80. What's up, Fadel? I think 6.80 is good. Okay, 6.80 is good. 6.80 is very good. Most of us still have average above 10 US dollars. Don't forget, few months ago this stock was trading at 15 US dollars. Okay, let's take a look at the monthly candlestick. So let me get rid of this for a while. This is the monthly candlestick, guys. Everything that we made in January, we retraced back. This is the monthly candlestick. You can see in January we opened at 5.2 US dollars. That's where we opened in January, and we went as high as 13.85 US dollars in January. So you guys can see this is what has been happening. But the good news is if we manage to close this month green, or if we manage to close, at least if we don't go below 5.2 US dollars, which of course has already happened, we didn't go below that on the monthly level. It is good news. Okay, we need to close this month green at least. Even if it's at 6.5 US dollars, I will be very happy if we manage to close May in green. You guys can see May is still red, so we are still in a good position to add, because you have to buy into weakness and you have to sell into strength. That is the pattern how to trade, for example. So if we close green this month or next month, if we continue, you guys can easily see the pattern. This is a ladder. This is a ladder right here, but this green candle is still holding strong. Okay, because we are yet to close below this candle. The low is at 5.2 US dollars. Okay, we open at 5.2 US dollars. So if we manage to stay above 5.2 US dollars, this is super good for long term holders. So yeah, this is the monthly candlestick. Let's take a look at the weeklies and see what is going on. So the weekly is also good. You guys can see this is a reversal pattern right here. I have to come back to this weekly candlestick and check out what is happening. I want to see how we are going to close on Friday. I want to see how we will close on Friday. If we manage to close on Friday at 6.38 US dollars, that will be a wonderful news. That means we have a double bottom on the weeklies. Okay, you can see the weeklies right here. We came down, bam, we bounced at this level, we went back up, we came down again, and last week was this huge sell-off from the stock market in general. Growth stock, Tesla, all of them, they went crazy down. Nano Dimension, for example, Palantir, all of them just went down last week. So now we are retracing back. If we manage to close the week at 6.4 US dollars, for example, That is a very good news, okay? But the resistance is right here. You guys can see we have broken out of this. We break out of this already. So the resistance is right here at 7.7 US dollars on the weeklies, but we are focused on the dailies, okay? This is the dailies, and this is what is happening right now. This is the situation of the market. The reason why we are trading presently at this level is because of this resistance right here, this 5.81 US dollars. Let me see if it's still okay. Right now it is 5.82. It's going higher. It was 5.81, but right now it is 5.82. So it has gone a little bit higher. So that is why we retraced a little bit after we touched it. You guys can see the you can see from the Bngo band, you can see from the Bngo band, the yellow line, this is the middle moving average. That is why we touched it, and now we are, consolidating a little bit below it. So tomorrow is going to be super interesting. Maybe if we break it tomorrow, I will go live again and share monies with you guys. I mean, I still have most of you guys online. I have most of you guys online. Let me see if I can still hold on a little bit. I mean, and share more news with you guys. What's up, Daniel? Woo! Daniel! What's up, Daniel? Thanks, brother. Thanks for checking in. Daniel is one of my amazing farm on Bngo. I love what he always, this guy always share amazing comments with all of us on any video I post. Anytime you see comments from Daniel, he's always well composed. I always like most of his comments, the way he, put his words together. I believe this guy is a legend right here. He's just hiding behind that handle. What's up, Daniel? Thanks for checking in, man. So this is the situation of the market right now, guys. Let's go back to the 1 hour candlestick. Whoa, so we are still green, okay? You guys can see we are still green, okay? We opened back with a little bit cap down right now, but we are still green in general. You guys can see the breakout. Bam! I think a lot of day traders took profit right here. That is why the situation of the market, right? This 1 hour candlestick is flagging. If you go to the 30 minutes, it is flagging, okay? We are flagging. And if the trend is bullish, flag mostly, open to the upside. It breaks to the upside, okay? If the trend is bullish, flags breaks to the upper side. So you guys can see there was one flag right here, and we broke to the upper side. And if we flag once again, we are going to break to the upside, okay? So I am feeling super good with what I am seeing so far. Thanks guys. I'm just trying my best to bring some, some juicy content, valuable information to share it with you guys. It's been amazing so far. So I am just going to wait like 4 more minutes, guys. Okay, I will wait like 4 more minutes, and we can end this session. I am very sure we are still going to see a lot of actions, okay, before the market close. I mean, maybe we will continue to consolidate at this level, but I think we should close at least 5% today. You guys can see we are just, consolidating, waving around this 5% level, going up to this 5.75 US dollars, and then coming down a little bit, going up, coming down. That's more or less what we have been doing so far, okay? So the situation right now is still good, and I don't expect anything. I mean, there is no news, no no bad news or whatever. And Bionano Genomics haven't shared, I don't think they have shared anything on their Twitter page. Let me see what is going on Bionano Genomics Twitter page. Okay, so they haven't shared anything, so everything is just the same so far. I mean, just the tweet that they made on May 14th. I already shared this with you guys in my video. So please, if you are new on my channel, please, and guys, don't forget to click on the like button. It helps the YouTube algorithm to share this video with other investors. You guys have to know that this video, for example, that I am making is for all of us, okay? Because if we manage to reach more investors and tell them to, come to the Bionano Genomics family, and if they manage to invest, if they find Bionano Genomics, stock super interesting, and they manage to invest after doing their due diligence, Then we have more retail investors, for example, or even institutional investors, because I used to have a friend that's, one of my friend used to have like 300 and something thousand shares of Bionano Genomics. I'm talking about Chris. If Chris is watching this right now, Chris used to have 300 and something thousand, but unfortunately, he paper handed and he closed most of the position when the price was going down. Even though I was sharing tons of information with him, he paper handed and closed his position. But right now, he's still holding some shares of Bionano Genomics, I think around maybe 10,000 shares or something like that. So he used to own like 300,000. So if we are able to reach out to more people and join the community, then it can be much more fun. That's why I try to share my videos everywhere else. So please always leave a comment or click on like. And if you have time, you can also share this video with your friends, and we can, this family can keep growing. So yeah. So I think that is all for today, guys. It has been amazing and fun, and thanks so much for all of you amazing brothers and sisters that shared, some that is helping the channel. Mike P, thanks so much for your donation. Sharon, thanks so much, sister. You are amazing. Thank you, Dapo Akinsikbe. You are amazing, my brother. You are in Canada enjoying. I am in Germany. Thank you, Aptera Reboot. Thanks so much, guys. I really, really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for your donations. And those of you that cannot donate, that join the channel to chat with me. Thanks so much, guys, for all your support. I truly appreciate you guys. Without you guys, this channel would be empty. Okay. So let me just wish you guys a wonderful day. If there is anything, I can always come online, and so this is the situation. Tomorrow, hopefully, I will have enough energy and I can come online and share more news with you guys. Perhaps we come live stream again and have a little chat like today. So have a wonderful day, guys. I remain your boy Dayo. This is Frunkla Investment. Ciao, ciao.